Alright guys, we're in the 99 Dodge Ram 1500 pickup, 2-wheel drive. There should be a check engine light come on when you turn the key over. Right around here. But it's not coming on. And it's not the bulb, it won't connect to the computer with Albany. And trying to get it inspected, but can't do that unless I get that. And without that, it's just basically useless because it won't pass inspection because it won't talk to Albany. And I was wondering if you guys would tell me why it won't come on. Something to do with the emissions, obviously. Thank you.